If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Leverfi video update. Now, the last time that I made a Lever update, I actually saw Lever trying to push all the way up to nearly this price target right here, but unfortunately it didn't do that. But finally later on it actually ended up doing it. So that was a pretty bad experience for me the last time that it did so, but this time it actually looks to pump to the upside. And I want to see this thing on a monthly time frame to begin with. And what am I looking at, by the way? A 3 black crows. Whoa, so you guys got to be careful, because what Leverfi has done is liquidate people down here and liquidate people up there in a span of 1 month. So there has been an incredible price change in action. So in 1 month, you actually went 200% up. And at the very same time, you're already down 35%. But unfortunately, I don't think we are looking for any further move up, because on a monthly time frame, what you wanted to see for Lever is the following. On a first glance, what you had is this one green candle and then those 3 red candles in the middle, and you were about to make something known as the following. Okay, so it was this one right here. I'm gonna tell you, it was a bullish pattern that was about to form, but unfortunately it didn't form. But I'm gonna tell you why. So what you're looking to make was 3 rising methods, and this is how the 3 rising methods look like. Something like this, okay, where you have that one big green candle, 3 red candles, and 1 green candle. But be very careful, because if you look at this candle, that is a full body closing, but unfortunately this candle is a wick, okay? So it doesn't really count as a 3 rising methods. Now, yesterday when it was up here, it was a body, but unfortunately today it actually came down here. So if by the end of the month, in 2 days, because this is a monthly time frame and there's still 2 more days to close, if you end up closing up like that, from there to there, that's a continuation to move higher the next month. December is going to be bullish. But if you're not going to do that and you're going to end up closing below 1956, I'm just going to drop that blue line. If you close below 1956, then this is nothing more than 3 black rows, a continuation pattern. Okay, so 3 black rows to go even way more lower. And I do have a course for this one. You can check, the link is in the description of the video if you want to learn more. By the way, I'm just going to show you very quickly, because it's made for you. It's an 19 hours of content. If you want to learn more about all those candlesticks, I do have a section for candlesticks. You can see here almost 62 candlesticks that you're going to learn in detail. So basically this is a 3 black rows, and this is how they unfortunately look like. So something like that. Okay, so 1 2 3, a little bit like that, and continue even way more lower. So that's something that I can expect to happen for Leverfi in the monthly time frame. So the next coming month probably is not going to be good. And talking about continuation pattern, you might even come down to take out 0.000926 and continue even lower, because the nature of this one is that it means continuation to go even way more lower. So what is it going to be? Can you come up here and close in the next 2 days here? 3 rising methods. If you don't do so and close below 1965, then that's pretty much it. You're going to go from 1965 to 1920. I don't know. I was trying to rhyme here, but anyway, it didn't work out. So that's pretty much it for this update on Leverfi. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.